CS wa utungata wa muingi uthii wa nambere utuiria wa andu na tabarira cia mwanya George Ruku nioritie arugamiriria nene utungata-ini wa muingi metheme na tabarira iria itari cia bata na handu hauguo merutanirie kuheana utungata uri na moimirira mega ukoragwo uigite muingi mbere niguo mathie na mbere na kunyita mbaru mibango ya ugaruruku ya mutongoria wa bururi William Samoei Ruto.
Senior managers were here. The directors and assistant directors, we have an opportunity to join hands with the President of the Republic of Kenya in transforming our nation. President has said he's going to ensure Kenya is transformed in our lifetime. The remaining years, 7 years, is a very long duration of time towards the journey of transforming this country. Let all join hands with the head of state in giving him the necessary support for him to achieve the transformation agenda of our nation.
Akieria hindi ya githomo kia rugamiriria thirikari kirumeniririo-ini kia wira wa thirikari na uthii wa nambere hoteli-ini ya Ole Sereni kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, Ruku ni athing'iriirie bata wa kuhuthira mbeca cia thirikari na njira njega na kwirutira na njira njega wira-ini na kuria atongoria acio manyite mbaru mubango wa President William Samoei Ruto wa ugaruruku wa ugima wa mwiri beta kana iria yuikaine ta engine of implementation.
All these trainings are important. Very good. But jameni, hii bandia hii itatuletea shida in our service delivery. Let's try as much as possible to be in our workstations.
Ona kuri uguo Ruku niongereire ati mathina ta magucerithirio kwa kigina kia bajeti matiagiriirwo kuhuthirwo mari mweke wa kwaga kuruta wira wega na guthing'iriria ati no muhaka matungate a Kenya mari na wihokeku uigananiru na umenyereri.
Give all manner of excuses for us not to do what we are supposed to do. It's my humble request as senior managers, please try and push all the public servants that we have to do our best.
Girifotera Keo TV, Getika Wabui, Wanganga.